Right now on DIY Gourmet, we're making boneless, skinless chicken breast in a pan on the stovetop. Start with a preheated pan and a little bit of cooking oil, or if your chicken breast has enough fat, make sure that pan is well heated. Put a little bit of salt down there and then lay the chicken breast down. Once you lay the chicken breast down, after about 3 minutes, then you can start pushing around the edges to see if the Maillard effect is taking in and you're getting the browning on that side of the chicken breast. After 5 minutes, you're going to flip the chicken breast over and cook it for another 5 minutes. Now this is going to be for a grand total of about 10 to 11 minutes. And after that 10 to 11 minutes, you're not quite done, because after that, you're going to make sure and let the chicken breast rest so that the carryover cooking can get the middle nicely finished off, and so that it can be properly cooked all around yet still juicy. This is going to take place over a medium to medium-high flame, depending on your burner size and depending on your pan size. We're also doing this without a cover. Some of the time you can do this with a cover, but this one makes a little bit more of a crispy outside and a more crunchy golden brown. Now after it's rested for about 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, maybe 3, if you like it to cool down, then you'll be ready to go. You can serve it however you like, put it back for later, chop it up however you please. And please like and subscribe. Join the membership if you'd be so awesome. And if you have any questions, go ahead and comment in the end. Do it yourself gourmet, folks. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.